Hey good people, welcome back to Shifting News, an amazing channel bringing you amazing videos and wonderful views. Today's video is going to be a bit different, unique. Why? Because we are in KILIMANI, and for those who understand KILIMANI can attest KILIMANI is a very good area, and we'll be joined by one amazing lady.
I'm Sharon from Under Properties. This is our unit project, and today we'll be showing you our units, what is available and what is not available, the sizes, the amenities. This is a 3-bedroom. We have a 3-bedroom. We have 2 types with DSQ and without DSQ. We have from 121 square meters,
Shifting News,
127
Explore,
square meters, and 139
Feel,
square meters.
Shift.
This is a 3-bed without DSQ. So when you enter, you will find the shoe rack. After the shoe rack, we have shoe rack, coat rack, and more storage. Then when you enter, you'll find the dining area. The dining area, then the lounge. We have the balcony. You can either access the balcony through the lounge or the sitting area or the kitchen. Outside the kitchen where there is the balcony, you have the washroom area, which you can also access through both sides.
Shifting News, Explore, Feel, Shift.
Then we have the master, which is ensuite. For the 3-bedroom, 2 are ensuite and 1 is not ensuite. For the master, it's ensuite. We have the bedroom, then the washroom. Then for the 2nd bedroom, which is at the corner, it's also ensuite. We have the bathroom and the toilet and also the bedroom. For the 3rd bedroom, which is the smaller one, you can either use it as a kids' room or a study room. It is not ensuite, and it comes the way it is, with the wardrobes, the partitions, the study table. Also, after that, you have the common bathroom for guests and for the 3rd bedroom. Also, at the end of this video, we will be showing you a 3-bedroom with DSQ. But sadly, the 3 bedrooms with DSQ are sold out for now. But we have 3 bedrooms without DSQ.
And the price range?
It's between 12 million to 14 million.
Thank you, and I hope
I'll be hearing from you. I'll be getting clients, and thank you.
Thank you, our viewers, and we hope we will be coming to view this house with you. Thank you, and see you in our next episode.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.